Hello, this is Wei Hua Chen from Knox Limited, and I'm the director. And this year we are happy to introduce in the CDA 2009 London our first HDMI 1.4 cable under the brand name Cableson. So basically, HDMI 1.4 is a next generation HDMI Cat 3 cable that can deal with the higher resolution up to 4K, 2K, and also it has the Ethernet function built in, and there is also another function which is called audio return channel. So with HDMI 1.4 cable, you can connect your 1.4 compliant devices to internet, and also it sends back the audio signal from the television to your surround sound system. Okay, what you need is just one cable to do all the jobs. Okay, if you want some more information about it, please visit our website, ukhdmi.com. Thank you.